guys, welcome back to my channel. Okoy eating contest. It's an okoy sa dagat. So biscuit pala to. Ito, okoy. Right now, we're playing the two best musician. One is from Germany, is Drawn from Life, and the other one is from Korea, Mamsen Piano Salon and Drawn from Life. Let's play the latest first. Okay, let's watch Ma'am Shen video. Okay, while eating. Okay, hanap tayo ng bago. Old. Okay. This one, Beethoven Sonata, number 23. Okay. Turn from Life. Member ko to. Shout out. Saka si Ma'am Fatima. Shout out yan. Shout out Ma'am Shen also. So, let's watch Ma'am Shen. Beethoven Sonata. Number 23, minor OP 52 Appassionata. Let's do this, guys. Yan, may loading na. Shout out din tayo kay Fish 199. Saka si Pink 996. Yan, Ma'am Shen. Living of the 50s. Ma'am Fatima. Dark. Yan si patutug natin niya. Si Dark. Drawn from Heaven. Drawn from Life. Cortland. Shout out. Okay. Ito na si Ma'am. Nakakain na siya. Pangalan niya ay si Kim. Okay, tapos na siya. Malapit na. Shout out, Ma'am. Ayan. Sa kabila. Okay. Sa kabila naman, nag-play naman tayo kay Ma'am Honey. Ayan. Honey. Happy Home pala. Honey Happy Home. Shout out din si Honey Pie Vlog. Yan, Honey Pie Vlog. Shout out, Ma'am. Kasi so nandito lang pala ang shout out natin. Ito, Honey Pie Vlog. Shout out. May add si Ma'am Shen. So anyway, si Honey Pie Vlog. Shout out natin. Sa ilalim naman tayo, guys, ha. Kasi so, lagyan natin ang naka-add si Ma'am Shen. So in a little while, mga 4 minutes siguro, si Kuan na naman yung isa, si Drawn from Life. So while playing Ma'am Shen's video, sit out tayo. Let's eat. Yan. Eating and sit out. Really tasty. Galing ni Ma'am Shen. So, let's eat muna, guys. Ito pala si Edison Bartulay. Shout out din kay Edison. Yan. Sarap. So, hap-hap lang sila. Let's play for kuan. Learn from life. Something about yung old. Marami siyang video. Ito. Maya-maya. Pag makaplay na siya, pakita ko. Mag-loading pa yan. Hina yung laptop ko. Laptop umihina. Malakas yung internet namin. So, set out, ma'am. Yan. Tapos na siya. Bye-bye na daw. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Tapos na. Comment na ako. May ads pa na siya. Ads. So, okay lang. So, shout out na yun kay shout out tayo kay Pink Flower. Oh, ito na. Naka-play na si Kuan. I'm playing now with Paid to Grade Drawn from Life Pro. Iba yung music. McDonald's. Don't forget to subscribe this channel guys. Kasi Ma'am Sien, two greatest musician and my YouTube friends, greatest musician, Drawn from Life, and then Sien the pianist, the greatest pianist, Korean and German. So let's play for Drawn from Life. You know, yan ang kanyang video. Kalakaloading lang, sorry. Okay, yun na. Disco lang. Okay. So shout out Drawn from Life. That's it guys. Love Over My Life, yun kay Juan din. Magaling din itong musician, no? Share natin ang video ni Sir. Kasi para makakuanan siya ng subscriber. Kuan na siya, si Sir. 161 subscriber. So, pakikuanan guys. Subscribe sa tichot. Edison Bartulay. Okay, yan. Rock and roll na si Drawn from Life. Oh, bang! Kuya sounds. German sounds. And then German music, and then Korean music. Pianist. Shout out to both of you guys.